Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your infotainment screen that went black and it stopped working. I have this problem on my 2015 Chevrolet Cruze diesel, but this is gonna apply to a lot of GM vehicles equipped with MyLink Infotainment System. So if your radio was working perfectly fine and then one day you came into the vehicle, you start the vehicle and you see your screen is black, you can't start it, nothing works. And besides that, I also have a message: service parking assist. So now if I turn the vehicle off, I can hear a radio. So radio is on, but I cannot turn the volume up or nothing. I cannot even change the station. But when I open the door, the radio will shut off. So there is easy fix for that. And before you go to dealer or mechanic shop, first thing you want to do is to check your fuse. So there are two fuses responsible for your radio and infotainment system. This is gonna be this fuse where it says audio, and just one underneath for display faceplate. So those fuses are located inside the vehicle right here. So fuse for audio is this yellow one, and fuse for display is the one underneath this red one. So you need to take those fuses out and check them out. So I'm gonna pull this first. And as you can see, this fuse is not good. It's burnt. So here is my problem. I'm also gonna pull out the audio one. So this is this yellow fuse. And this one looks good. And it should be good because I heard the radio playing. So I'm gonna put this one back. And I'm gonna replace this one with the brand new one. So I got the new fuse and I'm gonna install it now, see if that helps. Right, new fuse is in. I'm gonna start the vehicle. And right away you can see we got our infotainment system back. See, everything is working. Everything is working. So yeah, before you go to dealer or any mechanical shop, check your fuses. Those two fuses I showed you, it's easy to replace them, and that's most likely the reason why your infotainment screen is black, radio is not working. And also I have no more message for service park assist, so I guess that fuse helped that as well. If both of these fuses are good, before reinstalling them back, wait about 5 minutes. And this is also how you can fix your black screen, getting your infotainment system back, because basically what you did at that point, you kinda reset the system, and in most cases, once when you put those fuses back, you will get back your radio and infotainment screen. Thanks for watching.